Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to this channel. On this channel, we are going to be teaching ourselves how to speak Arabic and how to use Arabic and how to express ourselves in Arabic, or how to use some sentences that we see on Arabic on our day perspective. As you can see on this screen, I am on an application. This application is very good for even beginners that want to speak in Arabic, or intermediates that want to speak in Arabic. As you can see the name on the top. You can download it. It's free. Practice flashcard, using translation, matching column. As you can see, Arabic typing. As you can see, it also has many features. Arabic stories that we are going to be reading, inshallah, and we are going to be using some sentences to make a word. Now let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim wa barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Now let's start. Before we start, we are reading this story not for fun. We are just be reading it for a purpose. You must make sure that you make some tenses that you make sure that make sure that some sentences we are going to be trying to be using it. Don't be afraid to speak Arabic. Be speaking it, be trying your best. Always be speaking, always be saying, inshallah. Allah yuwaffiquna. Now, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A story in Guha wal Lis. Guha is the name of a person, while Al-Lis means a thief. Al-Lis means a thief. نعم. شعر جحا بلص في داره ليلا فقام إلى خزانة غرفة النوم واختبأ فيها وبحث اللص عن شيء يسرقه فلم يجد فرأى الخزانة ففتحها وإذا بجحا فيها خاف اللص ولكنه تشجع وقال ماذا تفعل هنا يا شيخ؟ فقال جحا متحسف يا سيدي فإني أعرف أنك لن تجد ما تسرقه ولهذا استحييت واختبأت خجلا منك. Now, and this story is talking about Guha, a person, and a thief. Now, the thief enter into his room and he noticed that the thief has entered his room. As you can see, you can make do. That is not what we are going to talk today. You can make use of this word. You can translate this into English. So on this side. Now, if you have a word that you do not know the meaning, you can press on the word and falam, but it couldn't. Falam yaji. Dar, the house. Dar, the house. Dar, a house. Dar, the house. Fear. You can make the use of some tenses here that you are going to be practicing. Like if you saw your brother is doing something, you can ask him or her, ماذا تفعل? ماذا تفعل, my brother? ماذا تفعل? What are you doing? No. Or if you want to ask someone a direction or a place, متأسف يا سيدي I'm going somewhere and I don't know the place. متحسف يا سيدي. Or you want to greet someone. مرحبا. No. You can make use of sometimes here. Inshallah, in next video we are going to teach ourselves Mama, inshallah. Jazakumullah khairan. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friend and like it and subscribe to this channel. Jazakumullah khairan.